is its General Manager, Miss Baby Enriquez.
Paano kayo nagsimula sa Lambanog business?
Itong lambanog na to, we started yung 1969 pa.
With your parents po,
Yes,
no?
yes. Originally, siya yung Doris Lambanog. So that time, dalawang klase lang yon. So we have yung premium, which is the 40%. Medyo matapang yon. And then we also have the 30%.
And of course, right now, we're in your very, very beautiful showroom.
thank you.
Talagang nag-innovate na ho kayo ng mga produkto na. In fact, you have different lines, different brands, different flavors. Baka pwede nyo ikwento, paano ho nangyari yun? No? This is your premium, no?
Yeah, the premium
Okay,
one.
tell us about this product po.
This one, we have this Vicente Uno. So kung mapapansin mo, we have 40%. This is one of the classic that we have, the original one. But then of course, we renovate everything kasi we have to comply with the standards abroad.
Ano ho ba yung, let's say, yung traditional lambanog, yung hindi papasa sa international standards that you had to change?
Okay. Kasi yung lambanog, the original lambanog, pag in-smell mo siya, parang medyo maasim. Yung kasi before, yung old lambanog is medyo may iba yung hagod niya. So unlike now, meron pa rin, pero finer,
Mas smooth.
smoother.
Alright. Okay. Ito ho naman, the ones here, ito, tinatanong ko, ano ba yung barrique? French ba yan? Hindi ho French ang barrique, di ba?
Hindi. Local na local yan.
Okay.
Kasi ito is in Varic, di ba? One word of, halika, inom tayo.
Varic, gano'n?
Yung Varic tayo. So, it's a colloquial word na.
Okay.
Pero sa French nga, you're right. Sabi nung isang client namin from Canada, sabi niya, uy, parang sounds like. So, dadalhin niya doon to promote.
And talking about Canada, no, a lot of these products, umabot na po ito sa ibang bansa.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sa mga foreign markets, how do they look at lambanog? Tayo ba'y ka-level ng mga tequila, mga vodka, mga ganyan?
Actually, we're totally different from them. Magkapares lang tayo sa distillation, same with tequila. Pero, tayo is, yung raw materials natin are all from the niyog. So, that's one way na nagkaiba tayo.
So,
Pero the same thing, yung distillation with tequila is just
Same process,
Same
but yung pinanggagalingan po natin, of course, goes back to the coconut tree.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi, and I know that dito ho sa Quezon, talagang products of coconut ho yung karamihan ng mga produkto. Okay, ito na tuwa ko sa pangalan, Lamba Lights. ano ho yung Lamba Lights?
Lamba Lights. Ito kasi, that's why we call it Lamba Lights. We cater this lambanog for the ladies, for the young ladies na gusto kasi nila yung mga ano lang, 22%. So, ito yung ino-offer namin para sa kanila.
Ano ho yung naging comment ng mga kaedad po ng inyong parents na sanay lang ho sa traditional lambanog? Sabi ba nila, hindi na lambanog yan kapag strawberry na yan, or hindi na lambanog yan kapag blackberry na yan, or did they accept that there's really innovation in these products?
There are two types ng personalities na, uy, hindi naman yan lambanog eh, kasi bakit may kulay? But then others, they say, uy, ang ganda naman yan. Parang festive talaga. So, of course, the two types of person, it help us a lot. Kasi sabi namin, sige, kasi kayo hanggang dyan lang yung iniisip nyo. But then for us, it really makes us a profit as well as nakikilala yung lambanog, not only in the Philippines, but then
Sa ibang
other
bansa.
places.
Okay. Talking about mga iba-ibang hilig ng mga tao pagdating sa lambanog, these are both your product lines, but they look very, very different, no?
Yeah.
You also sell this line. Ito
Yes.
yung Doña Adoracion Gold, no? And then you also have the Lamba Lights na
Lamba
medyo
Lights.
mas funky at modern na konti. Can you tell us how you came up with these two very different looking lines?
That's what I said earlier, yung market mismo yung naghahanap. We have this Korean buyer. They gave us a sample na, oh, you do this for me. So we just reinvent. So we use our indigenous materials, all from Bicol and here. So that's why we came up with this one. This one we also export that in
Okay, ito ho, nyug ho talaga to, di ba?
Oo,
Ito
tunay.
mismo yun, ano? Tunay na tunay. Kadalasan ho, pag ganito ho kalaki yung sizes natin, hindi na ho ito pang party, ito pang picnic.
It's like para mga sampler sizes, pang solo shot lang yan.
Okay. And talking about solo shot, kung meron ho tayong kailangan i-try dito, what would you suggest that we try?
Right. For you, sir? Alam na alam ko yan. This one, this is our premium, the classic that we have. This is a 40%. So you have other choices. This is a lumberjack, kind of sweeter.
Kung meron ho kayo ipapayo sa mga iba pang entrepreneurs or maybe in a similar business like yours, ano po yung mapapayo mo po sa kanila?
I would suggest and I would say that they really have to love what they're doing. Kasi yun ang importante. Una sa lahat, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. And you really have to look at the market as well as kailangan you can cater to their needs. So lahat na ngayon is importante para sa iyo at para sa product.
Alright, cheers! Sa kagustuhang maging world-class ang kanilang produkto, nag-step up si Baby sa kanilang lambanog at pinaganda ang packaging nito. Kaya naman ngayon, umabot na ito sa